Hello. Today we'll be showing you how to properly assemble the art pieces. As you know, it is vital that the process is extremely accurate and efficient. Additionally, as always, safety is our top concern, as workers will be using pneumatic nailers to construct each piece. Throughout this video, we will step you through the workspace and assembly process, showing you how to accurately and efficiently construct each piece, and by providing you with a quality check to make sure that all pieces meet our standards.
Alright, so this is how the workspace is going to be laid out. In the middle, you've got your main base piece, which goes right there next to your templates. Then you've got your first piece here on the left, which is going to go on top, flush with the corners. You've got all your pieces over here in blue to represent where they go in reference to that template. Then you've got your little side pieces over here, which will go flush with the bottom and the piece that assists with actually cutting those. Then you'll move over to the right side of the workspace where you've got your second and third level templates, as well as green diagrams for your second level and a purple one for your third level.
To begin the assembly, the first step is to cut the top edge piece so that it matches the desired specifications. To do this, use the taper tool and the bandsaw. Take the top edge piece of wood and nest the top left corner into the corner of the taper tool. Then, position the flat edge of the taper tool against the side of the bandsaw, which is pre-positioned at the correct distance from the blade. Next, ensure that your hands are clear of the saw and turn on the machine. Slowly use the pushers to push the tool and the wood through the saw. Due to the angle of the taper tool and the distance from the bandsaw wall to the blade, the saw will cut through the piece at the necessary angle and for the necessary length. Once the cut is complete, turn off the bandsaw. When the blade has stopped moving, you are safe to reach for the piece. Be sure to remove all scrap wood from the bandsaw. Now that the piece is cut, it's time to assemble the full art piece. To do so, we will use our custom templates to ensure that all pieces are exactly the same and that all pieces meet the artist's specifications. First, grab a base piece from the center pile. Following the label references, insert the 4 level 1 pieces into their respective places on the template. Using the nail gun, put 2 nails into each piece. For pieces that are laid out as squares, put 1 nail in the top left corner and 1 in the bottom right. For pieces that are laid out as a diamond, put 1 nail in the left corner and 1 nail on the right corner. Still using the first template, now take the tapered piece that you cut earlier and position it in the bottom indent of the stencil so that it is flush with the base piece. The tallest part of the piece should be facing up on the right side. Using the nail gun, insert 2 nails into the piece, 1 on the left side and 1 on the right side. To complete the first level, grab another side piece from the designated area and position it against the right side indent of the stencil so that it is flush with the base piece on the side, and so the bottom edge is flush with the back edge of the top tapered piece. Using the nail gun, insert 2 nails, 1 in the back and 1 in the front. Lift the template off of the work. This completes the first level of the piece. Moving on to the second level, grab the larger of the remaining templates and position it on top of the work. Use the side braces to ensure that it is lined up correctly. The final remaining template piece is placed to the left of the other second level piece, sitting flush against it. Using the template and the label references, insert the next 4 pieces. Following the same nailing procedure, insert 2 nails into each piece. Remember that straight square pieces are nailed in the top left corner and the bottom right corner, and diamond-oriented pieces are nailed in the left and right corners. The smaller template piece will also line up the third level. Now it is time to place the final piece in the designated slot and nail it in. With all the pieces assembled, you can remove the templates and you're all done. To perform the final quality check, simply ensure that each piece is securely fastened. Make sure that none of the pieces is going to fall off or become twisted. Finally, give it a quick check to ensure that it properly matches the correct design.